So wood paneling is back. We've got the MyWoodWall display here, just in time for the winter time of the year where it's nice and cold outside, but it's toasty on the inside. This will give you a cool project, especially if you're just looking to do an accent wall, something along those lines. Essentially what the product is it's natural wood. All of these stains are water-based, so they're non-toxic and they're even safe for the nursery. On the backs of all of these, they have 3 adhesive strips. It's an acrylic-based adhesive. It's going to stick to almost any surface. You just want to make sure you're prepping the surface. You want to make sure that that's nice and clean, dust-free, so that there's nothing impeding the adhesive's ability to stick. Essentially, all you really need for this is a roller, which we have right here, tape measure, because you're going to need to measure your walls, make sure all these things line up properly. You're going to need a pencil so that you can mark a level line to work from. And if you feel the need to, we recommend grabbing an extra roll of the mounting foam tape. Sometimes when you make these cuts, you're going to cut off part of the adhesive strips that are on them. It's going to wind up competing with the stickability of the product on the wall, so you might want to throw an extra strip on there. The best way to do this is to actually build it up on the floor, I should say, so that you can get a full layout. We have different layout ideas, which are all right here. You can do herringbone, kind of just traditional half and half layovers, all that kind of a thing. You're going to need a saw just to make sure that you can cut all these things out properly so they fit on the wall. Right now it comes in all these different colors: brush coral, safari, martini, java, blue ocean, and deep space. We have a really nice idea of using command strip products to put these on the wall. That way you can take them off later on without damaging the wall, without damaging the paint. There's a lot of problems with people not being able to put artwork on the walls, especially the dormitories at CU around here in the local. So we're really excited for this. Essentially, on the back side, we've got our command mounting strips right here. Just need to peel them off. It's going to apply them like so. Essentially what you would have already done is gotten a level out. You're going to mark it with a pencil and you're going to work around that level line. So we'll just go ahead and put it smack dab in the middle right up here. You're going to want to press it in place for a small period of time. Then you're going to take your roller and you're just going to really go along, give good firm pressure just to make sure that that adhesive is sticking properly. And then you just continue going on from there. Get another command strip going. And this is when you would start up, coming off to the side like so. Again, you're going to hold it with some good positive pressure for a couple of seconds. Get out your J-roller, apply nice even pressure across the entire thing. And then this is where you would need your saw, to take that trim piece, cut it flush, get it into the wall. Really excited for the product. We're trying to bring wood paneling back. Hopefully, you might have an idea where you can use this. We also have small sample boxes that comes with all the different colors. That way you have different swatches you can see. And yeah, that's it.